Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms, doing some work on this 2000 model Tundra, and I've got this little brake fluid tester I'm going to share with you today. It's a KAIWEETS KVBF01. These things are super simple to use. Let's go ahead and open it up. So most manufacturers don't give you the specified time frame for replacing your brake fluid. It's just replace as needed, and I'm okay with that. Although sometimes I kind of wish that they did give you like a set time, because it would probably save people some damage to blown out brake lines and stuff like that as these vehicles get a lot older. But this is just a way for you, the technician, to hop on in there and test a customer's brake fluid to see, because we can't go by color alone. I mean, it is an indication that there's an issue, but it sometimes isn't the best indication. I've seen fluid that looks beautiful that ends up needing to be replaced. This little tool here just powers up, and it gives you it's .3, .4, and .5. It's capable with all those. Got a little LCD screen here that's going to tell us the percentage of the fluid in here. Got it set to .3 because that's what this vehicle came from the factory with. So let me move the camera over there and we'll take a look. All right, so here we are over at the car. I'll just go ahead, take the cap off, and it's really as simple as inserting it in here. And you can see it lights up, 2.2%. 2.1%, 2.2%. So there you go. That's as easy as you want it. Now this car is going to get a flush. I don't recommend anything over 0.5%, quite frankly. It's a very inexpensive thing to do, to flush the brakes on a car like this, or on any car, honestly. So why not take care of it while you're getting a car in for a 30,000, 60,000, or 90,000 mile service. That'll do it for today. It's a short video. I'll leave a link to where you can pick one of these up. They just work. Back in my heydays, it was Litmus strips, little test strips that you put in there. You'd have to wait for those to change color. Well, we've moved into the future now with a tool like this. Till next time, my friends, take care.